Hello everyone, so this video is to take you through how to install and use the Wikidata one-click info extension in Chrome. So here we are in the Chrome web store. Here we look for our extension, so Wikidata one-click info, where you can find here, and add it to our Chrome browser. When it's successfully added, you can pin it so you find it easily, right? So this is how the extension looks like. We have the zoom buttons here to increase or decrease the size of the extension. We have the language here, you can switch here, and we have 3 pages where your results will be displayed. All right, so let's do a quick demo. We select any random page. So here we use the Wikipedia page. So let's refresh our page and select any word you want here. So we select the Wikipedia word here and select the extension. So once you select the word, you select the extension right away, and it gives you 7 different definitions of the word that you selected. So Wikipedia, here you have 3, 6, and last one, which is 7 different definitions of your words. All right, and you can change the language here. If I want to change it, if I want the definition in French, I can change it, and I have the French definition here. If I want it in German, I use the German language here and come back to English. All right, and if you want more details about one definition, like, you can come to it and select the definition, and it takes you to another page where you can have more details about the definitions that you just selected. We also have the dark mode, or you can use once your system is in dark mode. The extension will also be in dark mode for you, right? So I hope this video will help and will make you use the Wikidata one-click info extension more to find any definition that you want online. Thank you very much. Bye bye.